Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you some hidden features of the home screen or how to customize your home screen. Okay, so first of all let me show you how to hide the app labels from the home screen. So here you can see under the applications, you can see the app label. So let me show you how to hide this one. For the simply go to settings, tap on customization, then here you can see the option layout, tap on this one. Here you can see the option app label, turn off this one, tap on apply. Now you can see this is the home screen. You can see successfully we disabled the app labels from the home screen. So the next one you can see the search bar on the home screen. So let me show you how to remove this search bar. Again go to settings, the same things, go to settings, tap on customization, tap on layout. Here you can see the option search bar. If you don't want the search bar on the home screen, simply you can disable this one, tap on apply. You can see we successfully disabled the search bar from the home screen. So the next one, how to change the layout of the home screen. You can see all the applications. This is a 4 column, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me show you how to change this one. Again, go to settings, tap on customization, tap on layout. Here you can see app grid 4 columns. You can see now we selected 4. If you want to adjust this one to 5, then select this one 5 column, tap on apply. You can see now this is in 5 column. You can see. So simply in this way we can change the app layout, home screen layout. So the next one, how to add the analog clock to the home screen. This is very simple. For this, press and hold the home screen. Now tap on the option widget. So here you can see the option clock. First of all select this one. Then here you can see the option analog clock. Tap on this one. Tap on add widget. Now you can see 2 type of analog clock. You can see according to your choice you can select this one or this one. Here I am going to select this one. Now you can see we successfully added the analog clock to the home screen. We can rearrange this one also. Okay, so the next one, let me show you how to remove the Google app from the home screen. If you swipe right, you can see the Google app, right? So let me show you the news feeds you can see here. So let me show you how to remove this Google app from the home screen. Okay. So for this, simply press and hold the blank area of the home screen, tap on home settings. Here you can see the option swipe to access Google app. From home screen, swipe right to open the Google app. Now this is enabled. If you want to disable this, then turn off this one. Now go to the home screen. If you swipe right, you can see successfully we removed the Google app from the home screen. If you want to again add this one, again press and hold the home screen, tap on home settings, simply turn on this one. Now directly go to the home screen. If you swipe right, you can see the Google app, the news feeds you can see here, right? So simply in this way we can remove or add the Google app from the home screen. So the next one, how to set the double tap to lock this device. So if you double tap on the home screen, you can see nothing will happen. Right, so let me show you how to make this one. Press and hold the home screen, tap on home settings. Here you can see the option double tap to lock. Simply turn on this option, double tap to lock. Double tap a blank area on the home screen to lock the screen. Turn on this one. Directly go to the home screen, make a double tap. You can see the device is locked. Right, so simply in this way we can make the double tap to lock the device. Okay, so here we can easily rearrange this app icon anywhere on the screen, and otherwise we can also remove the app icon from the home screen also. So let me show you how to lock this home screen settings. For this, simply press and hold the home screen, tap on home settings. Here you can see the option freeze home screen layout. Prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. Turn on this one. Now go to the home screen. If you try to reposition any app icon or widget on the home screen, now I will show you. You can see home screen layout is frozen. If you want to reposition, again go to settings and disable that option. So again I will show you. You can see home screen layout frozen. So simply in this way we can lock the home screen layout in this device. So next I will show you how to change the wallpaper. Simply go to settings, tap on customization, then here you can see some wallpaper. Tap on the option more wallpaper. So here you can see lots of wallpaper. So if you select this one to create, then it will create the wallpaper with the help of AI. So otherwise you can see the nothing, the wallpapers you can see here. To tap on this one, you can select any nothing brand wallpaper. So here I am going to select this one. Now tap on the tick symbol on the top right side. So here you can see some options. If you select the option atmosphere on, now you can see the home screen is blurred. If you don't want this one, turn off this one. So in case if you want to add the glass effect on the home screen wallpaper, select the option glass and turn on this one. You can see. Right? Now if you want to set a wallpaper only for the home screen, then disable this one for the lock screen. You can see. Okay, now after done all these things, tap on done on the top right side. If you go to the home screen, you can see successfully we changed the wallpaper. So let me show you how to create the AI wallpaper. Again, go to settings, tap on customization, tap on more wallpaper. So here you can see the option create, tap on this one. So here we can select any two pictures to create a new wallpaper. Okay, so here I am going to select this one and this one. Tap on the option create wallpaper. Now just wait for a few seconds. They are creating. You can see. If you want to set this as your wallpaper, then again tap on the option set as wallpaper. Tap on the tick symbol on the top right side. Now if you don't want the blurred image on the home screen, turn off this option atmosphere. Tap on done. If you go to the home screen, you can see we successfully create a new wallpaper with the help of AI, and we set the wallpaper on the home screen. Okay, so let me show you how to reset the home screen settings. Okay, now we already rearranged some, let me show you, rearranged some icons and widget, and I am going to remove this one also. So let me show you how to reset the home screen. Again go to settings, tap on customization. So on the top right side you can see one symbol, right? Tap on this one. So here you can see one pop-up message. Are you sure you want to reset home screen to original nothing layout? Tap on the option reset. You can see we successfully reset our home screen layout. Okay. So the next one, let me show you how to add widget to the home screen. Simply press and hold the blank area of the home screen, tap on widget. So here you can see lots of widget, and according to your choice you can add the widget from here. So if you want to add the weather widget, then here you can see simply you can see the weather. Select this one. Now here you can see the designs of the weather. You can see if you want a circle, this is combo, you can see. So if you want to add this one, then select this one and add widget. Now you can see we successfully added the weather widget on the home screen. Right? So let me show you. You can see. So simply in this way we can add the widget to the home screen in this device. Okay, so these are the major home screen customization in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.